Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to discuss arithmetic progression, AP, and the other name we use it for is arithmetic sequence. We have been dealing with sequences in our O levels, but without certain specific name of the sequence. We have been given certain sequences with which we just judge the sequence, see its pattern, and write its rule, or write some specific term over there. But today we are going to deal with special sort of sequence which has certain speciality. For example, if we take numbers 1, 4, 7, 10 and up to so on. You can see over here the difference between the first two numbers is 3. The difference is 3. The difference is 3. If you have a fixed difference everywhere, this sort of sequence is normally named as AP. How were we writing this rule, the general rule of this sort of sequence in our O levels? We write it as the nth rule. The difference is 3 over here. We multiply the difference by n. This n stands for the number of terms. When n is 1 means it's going to be the first term. When n is 1, it's 3 and we need 1 from there. How do we get it? By subtracting 2. Now let's check it whether it's applicable to all of these. 3 2s are 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 3s are 9 minus 2 is 7, 3 4s are 12 minus 2 is 10. So this is applicable. But when we come to our A levels, we do not do it this way. We have a certain formula for this. And the formula for an AP for finding the nth term is AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where AN is nth term, A is the first term, n is the number of term, and D is the difference. The difference between the terms. We name it as common difference equals to D. And how do we find it? Second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third. That means the difference of the consecutive terms. Here it is 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Let us see that how do we write it down like we have seen over here. How do we deal it? First number is A when n is 1. Then it is A plus D, second term, A plus 2D, the third term, A plus 3D, the fourth term. And up to so on. When we reach the nth value, we come over here, A plus n minus 1 into D. Now let's apply this to this one. 1, then 1 plus D, then 1 plus 2D, D is 3 over here, and then 1 plus 3 into D. And we can see here 1, 4, 7 and 10. So this is applicable. But this is applicable to only the sequences where the difference is fixed. Let us see an example. Another one. Like 7, 11, 15, 19 and up to so on. Now here we see, as we said, the first value is 7. The difference we can calculate by subtracting the consecutive terms, which is 4. And if we are asked to write the general rule for this sequence, you can use this formula. AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 7, n is the nth term, and D is 4 over here. So 7 plus 4 n minus 4. So we can say that this is 4n plus 3 is there. We can check it that this is applicable. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is 11. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 is 15. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is 19. And similarly, if someone asks you to find the 50th term, we can write it as a plus 49b. As you see over here, first term 0 multiplied by d, second term 1 multiplied by d, third term 2 multiplied by d, and fourth term 3 multiplied by d. So 1 less than the number of terms. This is 50th term, so we'll be writing 49b. 1 less than this. A is 7 plus 49 times by d, that is the difference is 4. 7 plus 4 9 is 36. 3 4 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19. So 196 plus 7 is going to be 203. So we are able to find out the 50th term. Now this rule is applicable to find out the general rule, the general formula for a sequence, to find some specific term. 20th, 30th, 100, 500, maybe any other term. Now we'll look for this, that if we have converted this sequence into series, what may happen? How do we use it? For example, instead of these, if we use a plus sign over here, this is going to become an arithmetic series. Now, for this series, we have a formula Sn equals to n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where Sn is the sum of the first n terms, maybe 10, 20, 30, 50, maybe 100. N is the number of terms, a is the first value, and d is the difference. For example, if we are asked to find out the sum of first 20 terms, as 20 is going to be 20 divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, that means 20 minus 1, and the difference is 3 over here. The rest is the simplification. 20 minus 1 is 19, 19 times 3 is going to be 57. So 10 times by 59, which gives us 590. And this is the sum of first 20 terms. That means 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 and up to so on the 20 values. Now you see that we have used, again I am saying that this you don't need to memorize. This will be given to you in the data booklet as that formula will be given. So if you are looking for a specific number of terms, if you are looking for the general rule, you can use this. But if you are looking for sum of certain values, we can use this formula. I hope this small session will be helpful for you to finding the sum of few number of terms, to write general rule for an arithmetic progression, to find some specific term. You can use these basic ideas to apply in your questions for the AS paper. Thank you.